Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you a review of two different AUKEY products so you can power your devices. The first thing I'm going to show you is this. This is a wall adapter or a power adapter that you plug in. It has a folding plug, just like that, but it's a USB Type-C on the front. And yes, I still have the protective plastic coating on it. And let me get that a little closer, and that's what it looks like. And once again, here's the little plugs. It folds in nice and small and compact. There's the USB-C type port. This runs at 18 watts. And the second thing I'm going to show you about AUKEY Power is this. This is a power bank. Look how nice and thin that is. It's not that bad in size, only weighs 13.5 ounces, and this is a little special. You get 3 full-size USB ports, plus you get a USB-C, lightning port, and a micro USB port right there. And on the other side up here, you get a battery indicator. Each one of those little dots here represent 25% of charge. So if you have all 4 lights going on, that means it's 100% charged. If there's only 3 lights, it's 75% battery capacity. 2 dots is 50. 1 dot is obviously 25%. And now all this is from AUKEY. So what I'm going to do now, instead of me just standing here and holding it up to the camera, I'm going to take you down to the wood top so you can get a better and closer look at these products. Okay, so this is everything that you get inside both boxes. Let's start with the wall charger first. You do get a nice cool little tiny sticker. On the back it tells you about the 24-month product warranty. You get this little tiny little instruction manual in multiple languages, but it's still easy to read and understand. Here is the close-up of the USB-C port on the AUKEY wall charger. Yes, I still have the plastic protector on it, or that, the film, because I don't want to mess it up right now. And as you see, there's a little bit of a cutout here. That's just so you can get your thumb in there to pull out the tines to plug it into your wall. So it is a traveling wall charger at that. So if you don't need them out, you can just close it up, and there you go. Now, like I said earlier, this runs at 18 watts. It's a USB Type-C, as you see right there. And the power output for the wall charger is 5 volts at 3 amps, or 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. So it can service multiple devices, okay? And for the power bank, once again, you get a nice, easy to read and understand user manual in multiple languages. You get a bigger sticker, and on the back, this one once again tells you about the warranty. And of course, they supply you with a full-size USB on one end of the cable and a US Type-C plug on the other end of the cable. And of course, there is the power bank itself. And like I said, let me press the button right there, and as you can tell, it's fully charged because each white dot represents 25% of battery capacity, so it is 100%. On the other side, right there, is the micro USB port. Right there is your lightning port. Right here is your USB Type-C port. Now the cool thing about this battery or power bank, each one of these 3 ports, the micro USB, lightning, or USB-C, can all be used to charge this power bank. I've tested it, they all work. The USB-C port not only is an input, meaning to charge the power bank, but it's also an output. So you can charge a USB Type-C device through this port here. Then you got 3 full-size USB ports right here, and these 3 ports plus the USB Type-C port, the outputs on those are 5 volts at 3 amps max. Once again, these 4 ports here, the USB Type-C and 3 full-size USB ports, the power output is 5 volts at 3 amps. And the whole unit only weighs 13.5 ounces. Once again, this is 20,000 milliamp hours in this power bank. So you got plenty of juice in here to keep your phone or your devices charged up. Okay, so you're probably asking, besides using a power bank for my devices, whether it be your phone or your maybe a tablet, you know, an iPad or something, what else can you use a power bank for? Well, you can get something like this, which is full of LEDs on it. You can get them off eBay pretty cheap. And you can put it in there and have some light in case there's a power outage. Maybe if you're going camping or hiking, or you just want to use it as a night light inside the house. Or you can get an LED bulb like this. That's for also mainly for camping, but also for power outages. And you can plug that in too. And as you see, I got them both plugged in. So if you needed just one light, you can have one light. If you needed 2 lights, even lights like this, you got 2 lights. Great for a party. You know, maybe you string a couple lights up for a party to have some ambiance, you know, some accent lighting. Like I said, if you want to get something kind of cool for your kids, like a night light, you can get something like this off eBay that has, I believe it's 7 lights in it. They also make them smaller with only 3 little LED lights in them. Or, you know, get a couple of these to hang over your bed and plug in your battery. Me, I got a few battery or power banks like this and a couple of lights like this because, well, power outages here in Michigan. Right now the wind is howling up to 55 miles an hour, so we might get a power outage. So that's why I got a couple of these lights and a couple of these lights. They're also great too, so like I said, if not just for power outages, but if you go camping, if you go hunting, and you just wanted a little bit of light, you can get something like these and have a little bit of light going around. If you want to walk around the house without turning on all the lights and waking people up, you can get something like this. Yes, you can get a flashlight, but you can also get something like these. Well, until the next video, you have a fantastic day.